So here is a BlueSky app, and I will just try to show you up some new features which are here. There are a lot of new additions here. There are a lot of new updates. As you know, this app is probably is still in beta. You still require invite here. There is a lot of active development. So if you just open up the app, so here's your account. By the way, I already have like 7 invite codes. Yeah, as you can see, I just have 51 follower, but yeah. Anyway, like the biggest work here is with these feeds. So this is like a hashtag. People are wondering what this hashtag is. This is not hashtag. Hashtags, by the way, are not working in BlueSky app. I was trying that and it's just not working. Yeah, so it's just not working. But instead of hashtags, you have feeds. So feeds are basically algorithms, how you see your content. And then you just discover some new feeds just by other people. You can also create your own feed with just a little of coding experience. So you can just do that. It's quite cool, this part of the BlueSky. This app is about more decentralization, more power to the users. That like a lot of apps were talking, hey, we'll open up algorithm, but here is just very easy. You can just code your own algorithm, how you want to see posts. Do you want to give priority to your friends? Do you want to give priority to some popular users and all of that? So these are just a bunch of algorithms here, and then you can just decide which one you want to add, and then you can just add it here, for example, BlueSky, and then you just add your feeds, and then you can unpin or unsave or remove from your feeds. So yeah, that's the one feature they were pushing a lot with it. Then they just recently added user lists, like public shareable list, which can drive feeds. So now you can create a new list, create list avatar, add it, and then you can just add list details and add friends there. So you can do that as well. And then, yeah, so that's that. Then in settings, now you can verify your email. You can add your birthday. Birthday is not shown. Home feed preferences. This is a new setting. Set the setting to no, and then you can just decide if you want to see replies or not. You can set reply filters. You can show reports, show quote posts, and then show posts from my feeds. So it's very like quite advanced filtering. I guess I haven't seen that in many other apps, like, this kind of fine tuning. This is cool. And then there are like thread preferences, new setting, which I also just discovered, where you can, for example, filter out like replies in your threads. You can sort replies to the same post by oldest replies first, newest replies first, random. You can prioritize your follows. You can set up threaded mode. So yeah, again, I haven't seen this kind of settings in X app or something. So BlueSky app, what's cool is that, this was a team of like former Twitter engineers, and they really, you can feel that these engineers who build this app, they have really like taste to like social media app development. Like they add in some features like which prove that they really have some experience, like, how to fine tune your feed and all of these things, and which features to add to improve the experience. So that's why this app is like slowly becoming one of the top alternatives to Threads, to X app. It's still in beta though. It doesn't have 100 million monthly users. I think it's just about like 1-2 million, I guess. But it's a nice community. Then you also have my saved feeds, which you can edit. Languages. Now you can set your preferred language for translations, content languages. App passwords. Why you need that? App passwords you need if you plan to use some BlueSky client like BlueSky. So there is a popular BlueSky client, BlueSky, and in order to log into that client or other app with BlueSky account, at the moment you need to set up app passwords. So it's not like on Twitter X app, you just have a button, login with Twitter or login with Facebook. Here it doesn't work like that. You just need that password. Then change handle, you can do that. System log, whatever. So yeah, these are some of these new features wanted to share. There is some more moderation, muted accounts, blocked accounts, moderation lists. So for example, there is a new moderation list like spammers, like, there is a public, this is a public list, which is also quite a cool feature. Like the community just contributes to this list. And content filtering. You can also filter out content here like that. And then, so then you have this. So there you have it. That's the idea. And then there are some home feed preferences here. Other than that, I guess these are the kind of the main updates. You can add nothing else. Is maybe there is a lot of work on backend or something like that. But here you just have that. So hope that's helpful.